Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. I have a brand new golf club polisher 10-ounce kit that I'm going to go ahead and use on my Cleveland 56-degree sand wedge, which is that copper-headed. It is pretty rough looking, as you can see here. And so we are going to clean it up a little bit and then go ahead and polish this thing. So we are going to clean it up a little bit and go ahead and polish it. What I'm using to clean it is just going to be some Dawn dish soap and water with some paper towels. Then in that side of this kit, it comes with a 10-ounce jar and a microfiber cloth. And so those are the only things we're going to be using today. We're going to go ahead and clean the club face with some Dawn dish soap and water. So as you can tell, it still is not perfect. This club has been used for years. I love this club, my favorite sand wedge I've ever bought, and has a lot of nicks and scratches and some rust on it, as you can see right there. So let's go ahead and see what this polish is capable of doing. So all you have to do is open it up, and you just have to get a small amount. Does not have to be a lot, just a small amount, and go ahead and put it on there and start moving it around, getting in all of the grooves. You can go ahead and get even up the shaft because you can use this on all types of metal. The website tells you that you can use it for metal, zinc, aluminum, steel golf clubs. And man, you can already see the difference. In just a few seconds, it's already becoming transformed into a much newer looking club. And you can see it has got a lot of the issues gone that we were having. You can see how much dirt and debris came off, but also like cleaned out a lot of that rust on there. That's crazy. Look how good that's starting to look. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more. I'm just using a little bit on the cap. This thing should last for many clubs and sets of clubs for many years. So that's pretty awesome that it works that well. And it is just cleaning up and polishing this club face so well. Man, that club is looking brand new again. I got this club in the early 2000s and still my favorite sand wedge I've ever purchased. But man, look how good that did. That thing looks almost brand new. Let's go ahead and try it on a different club as well. So the next club we're going to do is a pitching wedge from the Nike Pro Combo Series. This is another older club. I've had this for a long time. You can see it has lots of dings and dents all over it from hitting so many golf balls in the past. So let's go ahead and start cleaning it. Same concept, except this time we're not even going to use Dawn dish soap. We're just going to straight up use just the cleaner. I'm just going to set it on there for a couple of seconds, get that nice and thick, start cleaning the back side. We can start cleaning the back side as well. And man, that just made that thing shine like crazy. Okay, we're going to come back to the front side. And you can see how clean that club face got. You can actually like almost see a reflection in it now. That stuff works so well. And you can see you're only really using the product that came with it, the towel that came with it, and potentially, if it's super dirty, some Dawn dish soap and water. and that thing turned out super clean. Wow, I am really impressed by this. If you want to get some of this, make sure to go ahead and go into my comments section down below. I'll have a link posted there and also in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.